In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal account number. Now, with PayPal, things work a little differently from a traditional bank account. PayPal does not give you a separate numeric account number the way a bank does. Instead, your PayPal account is identified by your primary email address. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go to find that primary email and confirm it, because that's what you'll need to give to people or businesses when they send you money. First, open your web browser and go to the official PayPal website. Sign in if you're not already logged in, and you should land on your PayPal dashboard or account summary page. This is the main page where you see your balance, recent activity, and other quick links. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, usually right next to the log out option. That gear icon is for your account settings. Click on it to open your PayPal settings page. If you don't see it immediately, make sure your browser window is maximized or zoomed out slightly so the top menu is fully visible. After you click the gear icon, you'll be taken to a page that shows different sections of your profile, such as your personal details, security options, and your contact information. Here, focus on the section labeled Emails. This is where PayPal lists all the email addresses that are linked to your account. In the email section, look for the one that is marked as primary. You might see more than one email address listed, but only one of them will be labeled primary. That specific primary email address is what functions as your PayPal account number. It's the address people will use to send you money, and it's also what you'll typically enter when you're receiving payments from online stores, clients, or other services. If you ever change which email is primary, that new primary email becomes your main PayPal identifier. Just be sure that the primary email you use is active and secure, and that you can always access it, since PayPal will send important notifications there. So to recap in simple terms, go to your PayPal dashboard, click the gear icon in the top right to open settings, find the email section, and the email marked as primary is what